I open this one.
You go like this. No. Oh yeah. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I have my husband here with me. His name is Pavel and he's gonna color my hair and we're gonna answer some questions. I'm gonna do the husband tag today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
The teeny tiny gloves.
They're not tiny. I think it's gonna be okay.
Give me the gloves, please. Can I have a normal gloves?
Yes. To color my hair today, I'm using the Garnier Olia Permanent Hair Color Oil Powered. While Pavel is gonna put the dyeing product in my hair, we're gonna do some questions. So it's called the husband tag and we're gonna see how well and how much he knows me after a while together now. Do you know what you're doing? Sure? Okay.
I hope so.
You say you were doing it for your sister.
That was a long time ago.
You ready to answer the questions?
Yeah, if I need to.
How and where did we meet?
We meet at work in 2016.
Yeah.
Yeah, we start work with in my company.
How did you know I was the one?
To be honest, I don't know. It came.
It just got to your head that I
Yeah.
might have been the right one. How long have we been together between like relationship as when we started dating and for how long have we been married?
That was
And-
22nd August 2016.
Very good.
Yeah.
And when did we get married?
2nd July 2019.
Very good.
See, I
I'm
remember.
surprised you
I
remember.
know. That's why I remind you now.
This is gonna turn so bad.
I know. I love you, baby.
How do you think you keep a relationship healthy?
I'm the less annoying person in that marriage, so
That's not the question. I think it's about balancing the time that we spend together and the time that we do not spend together, as like having a bit of time for ourselves as well. Like having a day off together during the week, but then I like that sometimes we have a day off where we're not together.
separate, so we can
and-
rest.
What do you mean rest? Because I know that you don't like going to the shopping center, for example. So I'm waiting for that day where I'm off by myself to go and do some shopping, or especially when it comes to makeup shopping.
I hate that too.
I know that you hate that. What is my favorite color?
That's a tricky one.
What do you think is my favorite color?
I don't know, you're wearing everything.
Well, my wardrobe, when I was managing full-time, my wardrobe was basically black.
Black and
And
some
grey.
white stuff. And you like the red shoes.
Yeah, I do love those red shoes, but they're very uncomfortable.
What is my favorite color?
Blue. What is my favorite food?
Oh, you like sushi, you like Chinese, you like everything.
What is my eye color? No, you should know.
I don't know, baby.
What do you mean you don't know? That's embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing. They're brown.
Who
That's all.
is my best friend?
Yeah.
Or like, who are my very, very good friends?
So it's Celia,
Yeah?
Sarah.
Yeah. What about Ben and Patrick?
Ah, this is too annoying one.
What do we argue about the most?
About my cigarettes.
That's true. We don't really, I don't think we're really a couple that
Oh, we argue,
argues
but
a lot.
the most thing is always you need to have that cigarette. Okay.
Well, it's true because it's not like a healthy habit. I do smoke, but I think I'm not a very heavy smoker.
Yeah, you are a Sunday smoker.
I do, yeah, I
One
do.
packet for whole week.
I do not smoke when I'm on holiday.
Sometimes.
So I think-
Sometimes you have one cigarette or two.
Yeah, in like a week of holiday.
Yeah.
I think I'm more like
I think after always you smoke after the fly with the plane or before we fly.
yeah, because I'm nervous. So I'm a nervous smoker. I'm not like a smoker. Like if I'm at work, I do need a cigarette once in a while, but I'm not that person that has a breakdown if I cannot have a cigarette. I mean, as long as I'm busy doing something, I'm fine. What is my favorite restaurant?
No, that's quite tricky one. Oh, you like to eat in the cold?
I
Carluccio.
I don't like Kardashian. But you know they took off the menu the seafood linguine, and
Why?
I don't know. Maybe because it's not like a seasonal dish.
Maybe.
Are you dyeing my forehead as well?
No, why?
You sure?
Yeah, just a little bit here from you, but you have from that from him, it's not my fault.
Yeah, but you have to take that off, eh? Otherwise, I'm gonna have a brown forehead. I can't. What do I have here?
What?
Here.
Oh.
Who was the one to say "I love you" first, and where was it?
I said first, and I was in your flat.
It's true.
After 2 weeks.
It's true. It was super fast. I think no, it wasn't 2 weeks. It was more than 2 weeks.
Maybe 3-4 weeks after we start to date.
Yeah,
I said I love you first.
it's true. But then I said it as well.
Yeah.
What is something that I do that you wish I wouldn't?
I think there is just something like that.
That's not true.
It can be sometimes that's annoying.
Annoying about what?
Everything.
Ow!
I'm sorry, yeah?
Ow! Did I play any sports when I was younger? Because now for sure I'm not playing any sports.
You dance.
I
You
used
dance?
to do ballet. But
Ballet,
ballet,
boxing.
if you ask a real ballerina, they're all gonna tell you that ballet is not a sport, it's an art. That's
Well,
why I
kickboxing,
like
The
very
Thai box.
briefly. When I first moved to London, because my mom was very worried about me being in London by myself. If you bake me a cake, what kind of cake would it be?
In the shape of Nutella.
I do love Nutella. Sometimes I do not care about my allergies. I can very easily sit on the bed and just have a jar of Nutella with a spoon. What is the most repeated phrase or sentence that I say? Is there something that I do say all the
No,
time?
I don't think so.
I do like to talk.
Oh, that. Yeah, that's your minus. You like to talk.
What do you mean my minus?
Sometimes you like to talk too much. So like, sometimes I'm coming from work and I just want to lay down in the quiet and you start to talk about nothing.
But what do you mean about nothing? It's because maybe I really haven't seen you the whole day, so I just want to have a conversation before we collapse. Do we want children? And how
Yes.
many do we want?
Yes, and at least 2.
At least, so maybe more,
You never know.
because I'm carrying them anyway, so
Yeah.
it's fine. What is my favorite TV show? I did say it earlier. Well, not really. I don't think I really have a favorite TV
Not
show.
at the moment. I can't see like you watch any particular one.
What do you love about me?
Everything.
Oh, stop it.
I think I love you because you are a good person. I know if I need the help, you're gonna always try to help me. And you love me.
What do you think are the most important things to have a successful marriage?
Whatever we're doing at the moment.
Whatever is working.
Yeah.
I think is like what makes our relationship work as it is that like we do have fun together. We find ways to have fun.
Yeah.
And
Even if sometimes it's boring.
I mean, I think even in a couple you need a moment to be bored. Not of each other, but like, having moments where you don't do anything. You just don't do anything. Because it can be like a keep going situation. Otherwise you're just tired and you don't really enjoy the time that you spend together. So I think like sometimes you do have to do nothing together. I think honesty and trust are the base for a successful marriage and a successful relationship in general. Knowing how to make fun of each other. How do we get out of a fight when we fight?
Oh, we talk.
Even if it feels like it's nothing major, you still
Still you need to do
if it's something that made you fight, you still have to talk about it. So it's just you get it out of your system. And I would say if there's something that bothers you, just talk about it straight away. Otherwise you just pass on it and pass on it and pass on it, and then you build this anger and disappointment over something. And then when you're really like full of it and you can't handle it anymore, you can't just pass on it anymore, and then you just explode and you have a massive fight.
You look like a lollipop.
Marvelous. You dyed my forehead. Babe, I can see the brown patch on my forehead.
No.
What are you blowing up? Now we're leaving the product posing for 30 minutes and we'll be right back. And that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much, and thanks to Pavel to be my guest today and dye my hair. The outcome was actually very, very good. I was very surprised. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and remember to ring the bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I do upload a new video. Is everything okay? Go and follow me on Instagram. My account is vale.nina87, and go and follow me on my Facebook page. I post in there way more than what I do on YouTube, but I'm gonna do my best. It's like one of my New Year's resolution to be a bit more active on here as well. And thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing day wherever you are, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Mwah. Bye!
Bye.